In today's video, I'll teach you how to log in Jeep account. First of all, launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here I've opened Google Chrome. Now click on the search bar and type in jeep.co/au. Press enter. After you do that, you'll be led to the official website of Jeep. Initially, you'll be led to this kind of interface. So if you want to log into your account, it is actually very simple. Simply click on this option login that you can see on the screen. Now you can see two options over here, customer login, business login. Click on the option of your choice. If you're the customer, click on this option, customer login. Now after you do that, you'll be led to the sign in interface. In order to sign into your account, all you have to do is enter your email address and password. So click on the field of email address and provide the email address over here. Make sure to enter the correct email address. Now after you do that, enter the password. Click on the field of password and enter the password. If you have forgotten your password, click on this option, forget password, and you'll be able to reset it. Now after you enter the credentials, click on this option, sign in, that you can see on the screen. After you do that, you'll be logged in to your account. So that is how you log in Jeep account. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.